Yep. Oh.
You got an Apple tablet? You've got two. Why are you
I'm recording it. I'm recording. It's bloody tall.
It's over there.
Over.
When I was driving up the road, it was just lightning. We got lightning!
Texans copying it.
Josie, get off the road!
Texans copying it. Oh.
Might actually miss us though.
Nah, it's definitely coming. Nah, it's coming. Sure is angry. Yeah. Oi, Mum, look at that over there.
What? Yeah, no, I don't reckon it's going to get us though.
No.
We'll go past it.
Over there, look at that.
Yeah, I know.
I'm.
That's all over there though. Over Lynn's
That
house.
looks like a shelf cloud forming.
That's what my nana says.
What's your nana say?
My nana said that think of the positive. I don't think we can think of the positive right now. I think we have to think of the bad things.
No, it's not bad. It's a storm. It's okay.
But over there it looks like a tornado. It sort of looks like a wall
No,
cloud.
it's not really. That's pretty cool though.
That storm probably came from Queensland from the cyclone.
No,
No.
that's all done and dusted now. This is just the weather.
But it looks like a shelf cloud though.
Yeah, and this is the way to Queensland. This is
Yeah.
up to Queensland.
But
If you keep going that way, you'll
I know.
eventually reach Queensland.
yeah, but if a storm came from the cyclone, it will probably run out of rain before it gets here. We'll get an umbrella.
Playing outside with Ryder. Maybe before the storm starts.
Nah, I can already see the rain over there. It's that
Yeah,
greenish bit.
That's hard rain, I see.
Heavy.
One time me and Matthew were playing out on the road, and then it started raining super hardly, but not for long. I went out like 20 minutes later, and the whole road was a giraffe.
Really?
Yeah, literally, there was stuff everywhere. Matthew said it was a giraffe.
Yeah, probably not.
And then I said, I thought it was a cheetah. I thought it was cheetah spots.
Yeah, it could have been hail.
Yeah, it was, the hail only lasted for like 10 or 20 minutes. That was short hailing.
Yeah.
I saw lightning up at the soccer pitch when I was at soccer training.
Okay. That looks like a wall cloud, not gonna lie.
And the shape was like a big U, and then it went down like a big U, and then super down, and then up. And then I saw another one. I was like, and guess what?
mirrored it and straight across. I've just been looking at the radar. There's nothing happening.
But
There's even a bigger one coming, but it's still the same distance. It's just going to pass us by again. It came the arse. So
At least it's cooled it down a bit. That's good.
definitely.
Hey,
we might get a bit of rain.
Yeah. Here, go on there. Go grab the hose. I'll get the shorts on.
What happened to my hands?
Yeah, rocks are
the
dirty.
rock might be a little bit dusty.
here, Ross.
but That's alright.
You can wash it up when you're watering the plant.
Yeah.
Any good lightning strikes?
No. Damn. Alright, Dad. Not gonna lie. I feel like I want to go to Geelong. I reckon you might get a little bit.
I'll get a bit off to the side maybe.
Yeah. By the way, what's happening over there? It's angry.